Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren berkilat patai kubor mentakas sengi ke arpu pratrik ujileo arajar arpu sau ulaong bakas horkar kalaya keren halor ke jing perkat kumno ban map halor ki Mukotduma persya igi Dkhot jong keseng Hnlc. Conrad ulaong ru ba la bandon ke jing map jiki Mukotduma bat yekini ru anhap ban raipat kiba kum Kiei ki Mukotduma namar kidon kiba he bat kibarit ki Mukotduma. Hagabay berkejing ujor kiba ong ba keseng Hnlc kadang yai beteng ban pa ya kishiti dawa pisa shiki ba link ba ki WhatsApp nakaliang jong ula ong ba hagabay berkani ketanat pulit kala shim kia ban penlong ya kejing tokin balakin turu ya ke DGP jong kajenla bakan kampenlet jingmut ba hagabay berkini ki jingle kadang ba anla ban pendo shisendon ya kijat kampentrain.
Strong word. It's just another very technically high word for somebody who's not active and just, but then were picked up and were then asked to be active again. So it's not really that, they are hi-fi sleeper cell. But there are some individuals who sometimes are, in terms of, say, money, are given money and they're asked to do certain activities. And then we turn them as sleeper cells. So I would refrain from using those words, but they're individuals who are in one way or the other related, connected with different organizations. But as I said, we are improving our overall cyber, cell, and we're ensuring that we invest in that a lot. And therefore, we're keeping close watch on everything, and that's the reason why we've been able to nab these certain individuals that are there. But yes, we will not be taking it easy. We are not going to take it lightly. Every single issue, threat is treated very, very seriously by us, and we will examine this and will ensure that we take every step to ensure that this does not pose a very, very serious problem. But as I said, that these are individuals at different levels who are used by different leaders and organizations of Hnlc and other, mainly of Hnlc, who then carry out different activities through them. So we're keeping a watch on that, and we will not take it lightly.
But we have seen the illegal activities by Hnlc is increasing after its decision to pull out from the peace talks. So
yes, so as I said, there are the activities means basically sending a WhatsApp message. So I don't know how will you define the sending of WhatsApp messages as an activity. It's very easy in these days to send WhatsApp messages. You simply have to download a VPN, application like Atlas or something, and you can mask it. But then we are working towards finding out ways to nab that also, and how we can overcome that. And we are we're only working with different police organizations. I don't want to talk too much about it, but because of that only we are now succeeding in really getting more intel and picking up certain people, and this will continue. We have taken in fact note of this today in the meeting, and I've asked the DG and others to improve and invest in this aspect so that we are able to stop this kind of extortion notes coming in randomly to the citizens of our state. But the question is, cyber security is a very big topic. It's not very simple that we'll say that we have 5-6 people and we can get it done. It's an ongoing process. There is a lot of technology now there in the market, and hence we have to keep updating ourselves. So everything we do helps us a bit more, but then when we do a bit more doesn't mean that we can stop everything. So it is a process, and in the process we are making a lot of improvement, and we will see many things happen more, and we're sure that we'll be able to keep a control and a lid on all these kind of things. But yes, as I said, it's a process, and cyber security and concerns through individuals sending this kind of WhatsApp messages. Different technologies come up, so we'll have to keep improving ourselves and keep investing.
Addressing the demands of the Hnlc, which includes general amnesty.
These are, as I said, issues that we are speaking with Government of India also, and we've made it very clear as to what level we can go to, and this has been communicated to the Hnlc and members multiple times. and this has been communicated through Government of India as well as through the state government. So there are certain procedures and systems that are followed in all the talks that the Government of India is involved in. Hence we are following the same protocol and the same process is being followed. So therefore, we are not deviating from those processes. So based on that, we have mentioned that any kind of minor crimes that are there, or kind of minor issues that are there, we can resolve those. But any kind of heinous crime that is there, any heinous, things that were committed in the past, those areas we have to look at. And so therefore, it's not possible that I just say that it's a blanket amnesty we will give to, or we can give. It's case-to-case basis. It has to be looked into. But Government of India and both Meghalaya government have said that we are ready to discuss all these matters. But giving a statement that general amnesty will be given is going against the and deviating from the normal process that's followed by Government of India and by mainly Government of India and Government of Meghalaya when we go for talks like this.